Meaning of healthful.
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 Healthful. The term healthful refers to something that is good for one's overall health and well-being. A healthful diet includes a balance of essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, while avoiding excess sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Engaging in regular exercise and physical activity is also important for maintaining good health. Other healthful habits include getting enough sleep, managing stress, avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, and practicing good hygiene. Overall, adopting healthful habits can lead to a decreased risk of chronic diseases and a higher quality of life.